Name is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole.
This all the time, judging left, twisted right. You've got.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. Today's video is Face Chart Friday. Obviously, you can tell from my face which face chart won. If you follow me on Instagram, I did a poll. And the first chart won. And so yeah, that's what I'm going to be recreating. There's a brush hair on my lip. I'm trying not to ruin my lipstick. Oh. Anyway, enough talking. Let's get into the video. And as you saw in the beginning, this is a finished look. I like it. I don't know what's going on with my top knot. You know, it's doing its own thing, and I made it worse. Oh, we go untwist that real quick, real fast. But yeah, I had fun doing this look. And for the hearts, I didn't film it, but I definitely put stickers on my face because ain't nobody got time for drawing hearts on it. That's just, I'm not good at that. I would never be good at that, so it's never gonna happen. If you don't like the stickers, I'm sorry, but not sorry. Sorry, this thing just threw me off. But yeah, definitely oh yeah, definitely like this. There's a lot of hearts on my face though, even though Valentine's Day was yesterday. You know, this still works. It still works. And I did curl my hair today instead of just letting it do its thing. Trying to be different. Wish my shirt would stay where it's supposed to stay though. Anyway, that's it. That's all for this video. This week's face chart is done. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.